good, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are starting the restoration of the NA. So that's right, we ended up keeping the car, and as you can see, it looks pretty different. Totally not the same car. Let me show you guys. With the dog right now at the park. Interior wise, it's mostly the same minus the gauge pods. They're now gone. Here it is. My stock, well, full boat's on now, but full boat's on and a Miata. We do not have the turbo anymore. And yeah, we're just gonna be kind of bringing this car back up to snuff before we start drifting it. This year I really want to get into drifting this summer. So yeah, there's a few things we have to do, or a few things that I want to do to the car just to, you know, restore it. But just want to give you guys kind of a baseline, show you how the car is looking right now. It's in pretty rough shape. Rear bash bar's off. It's pretty low right now. Oh yeah, some things I've done off camera, just, you know, to get the car back up is I put the headers on, I put the Manzo exhaust on, I relocated these front side markers to the front bumper. It looks pretty cool, and I put on the old wheels, and honestly after that I haven't really done much. So sorry for all the noise. It seems like they're redoing the baseball field, but yeah, this build series is going to consist of a few things, mostly cosmetic, but I'm hoping to maybe get my hands on a supercharger kit for this car. I know it just got done you know, from being boosted with the turbo, but I really want to try out a supercharger. And hopefully, fingers crossed, we can get our hands on a kit. But yeah, stay tuned to see what else we have in store. But yeah, today starts the restoration. In today's video, we're actually going to be doing a new set of headlights. As you can see, one headlight is the Jass Performance Headlight, and the other side is just a regular stock Jeep headlight. We're actually sponsored again by our friends over at Auxito. We have some new bulbs going in with the headlights, so that's going to be really exciting. And yeah, I just want you guys to stay tuned for the restoration and kind of see what we do with the car next. I really want to start drifting, but we'll see what happens. We also put a few layers of yellow tint on it. I've never had yellow headlights or headlight bulbs, so I just figured it'd be cool. But yeah, we're gonna go home and change out this one for the other Jass one. I just did this because I wanted to test fit it, see how it looked, and I think I kind of like it. I'm not sure if I'm really sold on the yellow, but we'll see. All right guys, it's actually the next day. It was too cold to work on the stuff yesterday, so I just decided I'll do it tomorrow. It's much warmer, so that's nice. But yeah, I've been super excited to do this all day. I've been waiting after work to get home and do this unboxing so we can get into the install of these new headlights. I'm really excited. I've been driving this car a lot. I actually just got back from work driving this car. So yeah, it's been a real blast. I really been liking it. NA, it's kind of making me second guess if I want to go supercharger or not, but it's been a lot of fun while NA. So yeah, let's just unbox these H4 bulbs from Auxito. Nice. They always include a set of gloves, so that's really nice. More gaskets, zip ties. Wow, these bulbs actually look really nice, really shiny. Definitely looking forward to putting these H4s into the Miata and having it shine super bright with those new Jass headlights. Those are my dream headlights for the Miata, and having this partnership and putting them on is just so nice. Here's the old bulb. You can see it's pretty standard. It's an incandescent bulb. And here's the new one. It's a LED. Looks super nice. This is actually an OEM Hella bulb because the Jass headlights use Hella housings, I guess. So yeah, this is what's in there right now for the old one, and we're gonna be putting a new one for the other side. So we have the new bulb right here, and as you can see, it's kind of like a spring clamp style. Actually, we can twist this and separate this. Insert this part in. All right, and then we'll clamp it down. Now we can just screw this in. So we're gonna twist it so it's pointing down, and yeah, that's it. Now we'll get to taking this old headlight off. This one also has the yellow tint, so yeah, we'll see if we like it. If not, we could just peel the tint off. It's not a big deal. Yeah, we're gonna just take this whole housing off. We have 4 screws right here, 1, 2 on the other side, 3, 4. Then we're gonna have 4 10 mils under that holding this lid on. Now this lid should just come off. There you go, there's a lid. This lid is on by 4 10 mils, or 4 8 mils rather, sorry, which also have a screw center, so we could just use our impact drill. Or not, we could just strip the bolts. That's cool. All right, so take our 8 mil. We'll just bust these off. Alright, so now we have our lid. Set that to the side, 10 and 12. We're just gonna get right here. Put our 12 there, 10 here. Just gonna loosen this. There we go. Take off the bolts here and here. And now we're gonna take off this arm. It's a 14 mil right here. So we'll do that. Disconnect our headlight harness as well, and this should just come free from the car. Disconnect everything. Okay, so now this should just come straight out. Oh, let's disconnect this. Alright, now you have our old bucket out, and this is a plus of buying used parts. So now I don't even have to touch anything, I don't have to adjust anything, I don't have to put anything on the old housing. I basically just plop this one in like a direct replacement, and we'll be good. So we'll just repeat this process but in the reverse order, and I'll tune in back with you guys to show you the final product. Alright, so we're all done. We have the other headlight on, lids on, all the covers on, looks good. Now we'll just shut the hood and see how the lights compared. I know this one is an incandescent one, so it's gonna like turn on slow, and this one should just turn on right away. I'll get like a daytime POV, won't really do much. I'll try and do a nighttime and see the difference, you know, when it's more usable. So yeah, the yellow actually doesn't look that bad. I peeled off a little layer that was on top that was kind of fogging it up, and now that it's clear, it looks pretty good. So yeah, let's see how it looks. Alright, so I'm not sure if you can really get the full effect of this, but that is way brighter than this one. This one, even though it's wrapped in the yellow film, you can tell it's like a little bit darker, it's not as bright, whereas this one is super bright, right? You can see that the film on the headlight is way brighter. And honestly, if we look at the lights and how it reflects, you can see that this side where the new bulb is super yellow, whereas this one is kind of like a regular incandescent bulb, right? So definitely see the difference there. We'll try and get some nighttime footage of it, but yeah, you can already see this one is like not performing as well, and this one is super bright. I'm super happy about that. So yeah, I probably said super like 20 times, but yeah, very happy with it. Looks very good. Honestly, not sure if I'm feeling the yellow still, but we'll see. But yeah, this is definitely way brighter, looks nicer. So yeah, also just like what I was saying, is there's a beauty in getting used parts, but you know, there's always two sides to a coin. Like you have like some stuff like this where the old owner must have shaved it down, and this side where it's super shaved down. I'm not really sure what they did that for or why, but it's done, and looks ugly, but I mean, you can't notice it that much, so it's not the end of the world. But yeah, for the price I got it at, I can't complain. I'm really happy with how it came out. And like I mentioned before, these are Auxito bulbs, and actually they're hooking me up as well as you guys. So if you guys want your own set, you can use my code StanSuki for 15% off your order. And yeah, if you want to cop these bulbs, they're super nice. So yeah, head on over to Auxito and get some of your own, and maybe you can be shining bright like myself. Alright guys, so as promised, I'm getting some nighttime shots of the lights. And we have on the left side, we have the Auxito bulb, and on the right side, we have the regular incandescent bulb. You're going to see that this side takes way longer to turn on compared to this side. And also the color is not as bright, and it's not as deep because we have the yellow film on. So you can see at this side, it's really yellow and it looks really, really good. And then on the right side, it kind of looks just like it has the incandescent in, right? It doesn't really make a change. So let's see. You saw the right side, it turned on a little bit slower, and the left side looks super yellow. See right here that it's basically just like an incandescent bulb, right? It doesn't really shine through the film and give it that yellow fog look. So yeah, let's do it one more time. Yeah, you can see it takes a little while to turn on. And for the brights, you can see the left side is way brighter and more defined, whereas the right side, it is a high beam, but it's not as good, right? It doesn't shine as bright. So let me give you an out of the car look to kind of show you guys the difference. As you can see, this is super yellow, and this kind of just looks like a regular incandescent bulb, right? Especially right here. So yeah, that's the review of the lights, guys. I'm definitely gonna switch that one out for the Auxito and get them both to the Auxito bulb. But yeah, there it is. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you guys like the install and like the new lights. I'm still not 100% on the yellow film, so we'll see if that stays. But yeah, if you guys want lights like these, make sure to use my code StanSuki for 15% off. Appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.